Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post haul videos, vlogs, DIY, shopping, all that. So if you like all that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there if you don't want to miss my videos. So today's video is going to be a part 2 of the 25-cent finds from Dollar Tree. They're having like a huge 25-cent clearance sale, and there's so many different items at so many different stores. So yeah, they're probably like 3 or 4 parts of 25-cent finds from Dollar Tree, but you can't beat it. So definitely subscribe, grab a snack. Part 2, here we go. So the first thing I got is the little diamond beauty blender from like the wedding collection. And yeah, wedding makeup blender sponge. But yeah, so it's a little pink diamond, so we got that. Then from the Remy Rose collection, this is the lip exfoliator. So all the Remy Rose are 25 cents. So we have the lip exfoliator. Then we have our little makeup blender sponge holder. These are all a quarter. So yeah, it just looks like this, and the vent to like let it dry. So we have that. Then we have the Ioni other brow kit. This one's different. This one, all-in-one eyebrow kit, brow wax, highlight, and 2 powders. So we have that one. Then Flower Beauty Hibiscus is the only one that's 25 cents. The other shades are not. So Hibiscus is the only 25-cent shade. Then the makeup correcting gel pen, 25 cents. I know, I'm going to keep saying 25 cents, but I just have to like reiterate, all this is 25 cents. I cannot believe this. These are phenomenal. So then we have the silicone facial mask applicator, and this one's one side. The other one was double-sided, that's a quarter. This one's only like one. Then we have the facial cleansing brush. So all the brushes and all the attachments are a quarter. So we got that. Then the LA Colors lipstick in Passion, which is like a darker color. Then the liquid lipstick in Nifel from the Written in the Stars collection. We have I love that color. Then these, I love these. The other ones are a quarter too. This is the facial ice roller, used chilled for a cooling massage. These are fantastic in the freezer. So we have that. Oh, here comes my cat. Then the glitter lip glosses. This one is in mixed berry. We had the blueberry last time, now we have the mixed berry. What do you want? My cat's trying to get through. Oh. Then we have the LA Colors Vibin eyeshadow in Good Times. And there's only one glitter, so that's why I like this. Then the Ioni lip gloss in Tessa. So the Makeup Gala collection. So we have this one. Magic, no. Then the lip exfoliator from the Remy Rose. And then the face highlighter and bronzer. And I feel like, I don't know, I don't keep all of this. I donate a lot. We might make baskets for raffles, gifts, Christmas, so it won't go to waste. But that's bag, whatever number we're on to the next. Okay, more. We have the LA Colors Too Cheeky blush in Temptation. I loved this when it came out, so I'm glad it's a quarter now. Then we got the cream gel bronzer in Sunflower. So this collection is all quarter. Hopefully I find more from it. Got that. Then the Jelly Bombs. This one is in a cherry. I loved these, so I'm so glad they're a quarter now. So we got that. Then the Jelly Lip Gloss. Shimmer Jelly Lip Gloss. This is in Lustrous. Then the lip masks, which I totally forgot even existed. The LA Colored lip mask. This one is in Watermelon. and it is 25 cents, of course. Everything I show you is 25 cents. Then the makeup brush cleaning mats, which I love. Perfect for in your travel bag. Then we got the LA Colors lipstick in Bow. Bow. Then the LA Colors Made For You eyeshadow little thing in Cherry Tart. And I like this one because there's only 2 glitters, so. Then we have the Tropical Bloom lipstick in Caribbean Crush. I love this shade. Then by the same collection, but this is in Bahama Mama. So this whole collection is $1 if you find it. Then the lip gloss Classic Horror Queens, and this is in Pink Queen, and it was $1. I don't even remember this collection, so the fact that it's $1 now. Then the Eco Tools Clean Beauty Clean Planet Mini Rose Quartz Roller, $1. These are perfect in the freezer, trust me. So we got that. Then we got the Remy Rose Lip Exfoliator. Another eyeshadow little quad. This is in Mad Hater. Or Hatter. I say Hater. And then we got the Sparkle Red Shea Butter Lipstick. I love this. Then we have the Wedding Makeup Little Sponges. Everything from the Bridal collection is $1. So I got those. Then, like I said, the little lipstick holders. Then we have another Nude Glam lipstick, and this one is in Surreal. So super cute. Then, like I said, all these glitter brushes are $1. So of course I got one in every color, because for $1. Yes, please. Then my bag's falling. The LA Colors lipstick in Keeper. I'm just diving in the bag. Oh, the Velvet Lip Mousse in Souffle. These I don't even remember. Then we have the Remy Rose Colored Lip Balm in Charlie. Then another LA Colors Lip Mask in Strawberry. Then another LA Colors lipstick in Keeper. Colored lip balm in Lena from Remy Rose. Then LA Colors lipstick in Just Been. From like the newer LA Colors collection. Then we have the Ioni liquid lipstick in Congo. I love this shade. And then again, the Wedding little beauty blenders. Then we have the LA Colors liquid eyeshadow in Bronzer Babe. I love this shade actually. So then the LA Colors lip gloss in Halo. LA Color matte lipstick in BFF. Love that shade. Then another one of these. By the way, I make such great gift baskets, let me tell you. Then we have the LA Colors Vibe In highlighter in Always Out. This one I use as a bronzer, blush, and highlighter, like a triple threat when I do my makeup. Then this liquid lipstick by Remy Rose in Marianne. Love that shade. Then probably one of my favorite 25-cent deals are the little brush heads for the brush. So we have that one. Then we have the colored lip balm in Charlie. These are fantastic for $1. Stock up on these. Then the Roll-On lip glosses are $1, and this one is in Lemon Lime. Then we have the LA Colors Plum Gloss in Call Me. I love this shade. Love, love, love it. beginning this bag. And then the Remy Rose, lip oil. And Samantha, I never knew they even had a lip oil. So we got that. Then we got the Bear With Me Little LA Colors matte lipstick. Then another one of my favorite quarter finds are the hydrating lipsticks. And this one is in rose red, and I love these. And then this one is in spiced almond. They are fantastic. They are so soothing, and they really do last all day. And then the last lip scrub, and this one's in vanilla. And then two more things. We have the facial ice roller. These, again, put these in the freezer, I'm telling you. Last bag of this 25-cent haul. So, we got the felt tip eyeliner pen in black. Don't be late. How cute is that, actually? I am better at felt eyeliner than like the one with the little brush, if that makes any sense. Then we got the Book of Fairy Magic pink fat chubby lipstick, multi-use, creamy, long-lasting. So you can chubby stick glides, matte finish, and lip liner and lip. Got that. Then we have the charcoal infused beauty blender. I actually loved this when it first came out a while, like, I don't even know how long ago it came out. But it's just this charcoal little beauty blender. So we got that. Then we got this, the makeup sponge, and works with foundation, primers, and more. So that one. Then, while we're talking about beauty blenders, we got the little Sassy and Chic beauty blender, like, holder. Like this one. And it, like, turns, you know, like that. So a quarter for that. Love that. Then we got the cleansing brush for our cleansing brush replacement head for our brush that we got. Then we got the makeup brush cleaning mat and popsicle. This I'm keeping, and it's going in my beach bag. So we got that. Then I'm super stoked about this. The LA Colors setting spray, perfect for travel, and it's just clear. Set your makeup on the go. Helps extend your makeup wear. I don't even ever remember seeing this before until now. And it's a quarter, so perfect timing. So I'm keeping this for my travel bag, like it says. Then we got, what is this? It is the Kabuki Cosmetic Brush. This one I'm definitely keeping too because it is the perfect size for travel. So we got that. Then we got this little scrunchie. I love how puffy it is. Then these little pack of 4 barrettes. And then this, like, scrunchie. I can't tell you the material. It's like Sherpa. Then another lip plumper. We got the Rio Janeiro lip plumper. This is going in a gift basket. Then the colored pink fuchsia mascara. I was excited to see this. I loved the brush on this. So we got that. Then I got the spiced almond little lip thing. This is going in a gift basket. Then by the Gimme brand, we have the pack of 3 scrunchies. This I'm definitely keeping for myself because I love these. Then we have the nail adhesive tabs. I could not believe these were $1.20. 25 cents. Then we got some hair ties. Got this set. I know there's another set in here somewhere. Then we got this. It is the makeup sponge and remover cloth. Perfect for gift giving. Then we got the Clean Color lipstick, and this is in the shade Tango. I don't ever remember seeing this shade either. So, got that. Then, we have the facial brush, and this is the exfoliation one. Because remember, we got the cloth, and now we have the little exfoliation brush. Then we got another makeup brush mat. We got a lip liner, and this is in the Bahamas little lip pencil. I love the shade of this. Then we got this. It is the nail polish applicator. So you know what? For $1, why not try it? Then, of course, the Remy Rose liquid lipstick in Clio. Then this was $1. This is the Beauty Intuition Rose Pink lip gloss. So I could not believe that was $1. This, the Amazing Earring Lifters. Do I know if it works? I have no idea. But for $1, why not? So then we got the silicone ice mold. Both, I know there's another one to this, but these were $1 and I loved these. Then we got these elastic hair ties. You get 10. And then the last, like, felt hair ties. But yeah, that is it for this, second part, or third, I forget, of the 25-cent Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned because I got a couple more bags to do and haul, so definitely you don't want to miss them, so definitely hit the subscribe button down there, and I'll see you in the next one.